Hi ARF.com, I'm Dr. Susan Starr from Tender Care Animal Hospital, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about canine and feline Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a degenerative brain disease that's most common in elderly humans, but we do see a disease similar to that in dogs and cats. We call it cognitive dysfunction syndrome. Now, we don't really know an exact cause for that disorder, but we do think that there's several things that can contribute to the progression of cognitive dysfunction syndrome in dogs and cats. One of the things that contributes to the progression of cognitive dysfunction syndrome is the buildup of an abnormal protein called amyloid. It produces plaques in the brain that slows nerve cell transmission. Another factor that contributes is free radicals. Free radicals are compounds that can cause damage to brain cells. Now, these can be neutralized by antioxidants, which are very abundant in young animals, but old animals don't have so many antioxidants, so therefore those free radicals are just out there and can continue to cause damage to the brain. Now, how do you tell if your pet has cognitive dysfunction syndrome? It's not something that we have a particular test for. We have to exclude any other medical causes and go by clinical signs. Some of the things that you might see are a pet that no longer remembers routines. They may forget some of the basic tricks and training that they've learned. They may have some times where they kind of wander aimlessly. They may stare blankly into a wall or into the corner and not really know where they are. They may also have a change in their dietary habits. They may eat more, they may eat less. They may have trouble getting around. These are all things that can also be explained by other medical conditions. That's why it'd be important to be checked out by your veterinarian. We do have a questionnaire on our website at tendercarepethospital.com that lists all of these symptoms that you can go through and see if your pet has any of them. If you do have your pet diagnosed with cognitive dysfunction syndrome, there's not any one particular treatment that we can do, but there are many things that we can do to help slow the progression of the disease since we can't cure it. One of the things is to feed them a diet rich in antioxidants. There are some nutritional supplements that can help: omega-3 fatty acids, ginkgo biloba, and several other amino acids that we can give them. There are also some pheromone treatments and some other medications that your vet can prescribe that can help with the anxiety and some of the other effects of the canine cognitive dysfunction. So the main thing that you'd want to do for your older pet is make sure you have them on a good diet rich in antioxidants, and if you notice any of these clinical signs, to have them checked by your veterinarian.